Kwaba adase your videos no when the chance subscribe one turn on na catch yes and say each and every single day you the new update ana ede bro Yera Mahama ababekasa edi afa Napo nkomo ya ukodi kakrebi me mounti me muni nyina mounti kakrebi
Tama habo Nkrumah nesi ene akataman habo ni hwa could we have imported items into this country? Kotoka Airport Nkrumah nesi. You dare not compare yourself to Nkrumah. Don't try.
Eninie ni ntie ma Yera Mahama kasa we edi afa Napo nkomo e hu no edi Napo nkomo no wura fi wa adwem maso de Napo kan ye ninie
Buddha Ghana ha ya chechi Ghana abakosoma President Kofi to call retirement but to be sack case we say a free say chechi Ghana from 1957 ebe kan ye nya president bia wa boa Ghana China na do dan Kofi Messi a free 1957 back on there mo form of Kwame Nkrumah no mo form of Obia di wa ba di mampanya wa boga na ho ban e di Ghana kola nim China na
ye Napo kan ye ne se ye Kwame Nkrumah no ye mfa no nto nchen enkomo we nyina akoso e wo Ghpage Agradaa Ghana mampeni na bedi akire ene MPP amanyukuo no eda no e de ma Ghana fo nyina na nkomo we na nsamtrofo ye chese abonten so ne Ghana fo akwa nkomo se aso Ghana mampeni Yera na bedi akire ba omi abedi akire wa pa no se wo mra meka ne ho na afia bato aka bosumi nnum ya yekui Wambebo na chidom na MPP amanyukuo no breaking the 8 no wamuntimi embreki na bedi akire a wayi no Napo nkomodi a wadie Ghana fo boy edwapa esanse wo mo se wankasa yiye yenti Ghana for reaction kakra.
So you heard what Dr. Matthew Opoku-Prempeh said yesterday, talking about the fact that no president has done better than Akufo-Addo, not even Kwame Nkrumah. As a Ghanaian citizen, what is your take on this?
Well, good afternoon. You see, what he said yesterday, I was very surprised because even Kwame Nkrumah did a lot, motorway, even I think he's an energy minister, right? Yeah. So I also bona no obession so minister. Say Kwame Nkrumah but mobile Kwame, I don't think say they have anything that attach the even Akosombo. But okay say your friend is saying Akufo-Addo, President Akufo-Addo, or ye Juma saying your friend is saying Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I was surprised. Even me tell some nana me do me TV because I was like, I was going to say on him history. You understand? How can a minister say a thing like that? Even what surprised me that who call Otunfo and I call Mao like some speech about they've heard that you are arrogant. Me I think say be about but the way I was like, oh nah, you understand? So me I can't support that even him alone or my sassy and some work you know person worker. But you have to go back and learn.
I don't believe he's meant to say what he said, because let's take Pokwasi to Amasaman Road or in Saom, for instance. The road is worse. I pass there every day to work and I had to take about 4 to 5 cars even just getting to Mount 7. It is very stressful. There is nothing like they've done better than all those past. At least Charlie, we are suffering, no. Yeah, bread, the dust, especially when it rains, you can't do anything on this road. You would have to walk in mud everywhere. You get to work and you're already dirty. How are you going to be working with this? So I don't think what he's saying is right and is true as what he's saying, because the road in. You
don't think he did better than Dr. Kwame Nkrumah?
No, I don't think so. Because we are really suffering.
Okay, what Napo said was not right in the first place, because at the end of the day you were Ghanaian. So if you are able to make that statement there, I think he needs to render an apology to Ghanaians, because at the end of the day Kwame Nkrumah has done a lot for Ghanaians, because we know a lot of history about Kwame Nkrumah, what he did. If every president would have been able to do what he has done, I think the country would move forward. But at the big stage like this, and you, all what you can say is your Kwame Nkrumah, then I don't think Napo is a Ghanaian. If he's truly a Ghanaian, he wouldn't say what he said on that big platform. So I think he should come out and render an apology to Ghanaians.
So kasa oboa and Ghana no your politics no ya say no Kwame Nkrumah de obi ani wono ma waye bibi obesen Kwame Nkrumah wasase we suda o Ghana ha hwakoso modam na hwe tema motorway anyi semino mienu tema motorway ya faso anyi semino mienu ene e de kwan ayeye ebi no 6 months na say etu ka tell me say even Kwame Nkrumah na say Kwame Nkrumah mpo ontumi enya de sade na na kufado aya oboa sabe obi ayebi fiti tama ya ji independence jebi dan kwanom nyina be yebi eye Lawrence so wa be yebi former president Kufuor ono so be yebi Kufuor na otisu ono so be yebi tuntun sengo say now Kufuor ayesen Kwame Nkrumah dabi okasa oboa na yanya nyintum because anu ameso na me no be ye debate o ba bi te say de okay enya no kore nti
kakra no so na watie no mamesa fa okwa akire yewra Mahama say de na poka ye ne de wanka ne ye wankasa ye na no afom na nka won fa ono no Mahama no kra mfa nye mfanto ho woni on fa Nkrumah no fancy nchen no fa buzi amone ye Rollins mo fancy chen ko fo mo fancy chen say before so ono na mamu na time kra anka won fa ono Mahama na mamu emfanya mfato nemu de obo kwan no to ho maawo esu ni fritite esu ni frodoma nkoma wanka seye yenti yewra Mahama
ni aka ni propaganda ebo aye she nyina ye diso we are the best government since independence Nkrumah poma say sa abanfu we modem ho to Nkrumah Nkrumah was a visionary. And ne besine would they could doom akosom gosha se benya light or my moha. Meanwhile, 1965, and Nkrumah biesa akosom bodam. Ebesine, it is the bulwark of our power supply in this country. And then would they see motorway no? Na she say obi beti mi akobebi wo Ghana ha. Tama habo Nkrumah nesi. And then Kataman habo niwa. Could we have imported items into this country? Kotoka Airport Nkrumah nesi. You dare not compare yourself to Nkrumah. Don't try. Ezu. Mo pese mo ye comparison. Mo de mama fan ko Nkrumah so Mahama oheya Ezu enfan ko Rollins so enfan ko Kufuor so ata Mills enfan ko ne so Mahama oheya me ye 4 years mo so ma ye 4 years yes mo
yewra Mahama na kase wakasa wie ya na yese yentwa ma yewra Mahama nkwa nkasa yetie se monten Ghana fo ye ni omoko kasa ye gi twi ba kotoko fie no omo nyina abaye na ye koso wo mo ate die na wo mo eka presidential elect for 2024 MPP Napo Baumia ne Baumia ene Napo akani die na wo mo ka omo de ni
the former president. Yeah.
So you do you think that indeed, what he said is that Akufo-Addo has even done better than Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Do you agree with that?
I don't second that motion. That Akufo-Addo has done better than Nkrumah. We all know Nkrumah. He gained independence for Ghana. He led Ghana to the African Union and several conferences at UN. So Nkrumah has done a lot for us. So he cannot compare Nkrumah to Akufo-Addo. And besides that, he can also say that Akufo-Addo has done better than Nkrumah. I disagree with him.
We shouldn't take this as a mere statement. It shouldn't be a mere statement that look at the infrastructures that we really had. Kwame Nkrumah, University of Ghana, Akosomo Dam,
Ghana for any omudi nkomo wa mountain ana akasa no. Napo yese bra na be patch wano afun. Wan kasa yiye. Wano afun papa. Sa okase yemfa ye Napo pa. Obeya ma Ghana for kase ye retufu no wentie. Obeya ma ebe kase ni omo kan no saa ni wom. Se wo kwa ni mungoma no so Facebook no so a any TikTok a ene na trendy. Ye Napo kan ye nyina nye trend kase pa ya uko Facebook bie kasa edefa ho ye mo Kwame Nkrumah no mo mfanto nchen ekono ana trend ni na parking ebema ya withdraw no anase ye be punish no ewo indoor anase ye be fa ne saa esanse Ghana de ye fa ne amasa the videos aka at the air also. But don't forget to turn on the notification, subscribe, and do follow us on all social media platforms. In our next video, you will be mentioned as one of our top fans. Thank you for watching.